Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project in Basecamp. All right, so first up, you would need an account. So go ahead and go to basecamp.com and just click on sign up for free. In here, if you want to, you can go ahead and use Basecamp Pro Unlimited. Here are the perks, and Basecamp Plus. Here's the perk as well. So just for this example, I'm going to be using Basecamp Free. In here, go ahead and add in your name, add in your email, and add your organization's name. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and agree to the 37 signals. If you want to read the terms of service and privacy policy, you can go ahead and do so. And once done, click on set a password. Once you've entered your desired password, you can now go ahead and click on create my account. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you can now go ahead and click on OK, let me see my account. In here, you can go ahead and click on my project. Okay. By default, you'll have your own project. So just click on it. Now set up your project. You can go ahead and click on the three dots right here, edit project settings, and rename your project. Be for my business. Add a description and set the privacy. Okay. Save changes. Now make sure that all of the tools are unlocked. Go to the top right, click on three dots, and click on Setup Tools. And here you have these grayed out tools, which you can just easily turn on, like automatic check-ins, email forwards, and card table. And by the way, we have a ton of Basecamp videos where you can go ahead and check, talking about all of the elements right here, all the tools, you name it. Now going back, click on the three dots. Here, if you have the paid version, you can go ahead and choose archive or straight up delete the project. Add some people. It's pretty easy. It could be a team or a client. Okay. And don't worry, on our Basecamp tutorial list, we talk about this as well. So just go ahead and check it out. Now, if you have the paid version, whether you already have your first project in here, you can go ahead and go to home and click on create a new project. Okay. You'll have this green button available. Just click on it and set it up however you like. And that is it. That is how you create a project here in Basecamp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.